Hi, YouTubers! Let's be real. Creating professional thumbnails usually takes hours of editing, and it's honestly one of the hardest parts of being a creator. But that stops today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate pro-level thumbnails using AI in just seconds. Plus, I'm sharing the exact prompts I used to get my results. Before we dive into the secret, you've got 10 seconds to hit that subscribe button if you want to master these pro-level growth tips.
You just gotta be fearless.